Google offers a number of apps that are generally used in office environments. In this course, we'll talk about Docs, a word processing application that allows us to write letters and all sorts of documents containing not only text, but also graphic elements such as images, tables, etc. Among the other programs in the Google Apps for Work suite, we find Sheets, a spreadsheet program for data analysis and processing, Slides, which allows us to create presentations, Forms, for the creation of forms and surveys, Sites, a program that helps creating websites. As we mentioned in the previous course, Google Docs is built into Google Drive. This means that we can create and manage our Google Docs files within Drive. Let's see how it works. First of all, let's open Google Drive. To create a new file, we click New and choose the type of file that we want to create, in this case Google Docs. The new document opens in a new tab, with the cursor blinking and ready to receive some text. On the top left, we have the title of the document. Right now it says Untitled Document to remind us to rename it. All we have to do is click it, rename it, and hit Enter or click Away. It's the same. After any change to the document, it gets automatically saved in My Drive, which is the default location for all new files. Let's go back to the document. If we click this little folder icon, we can change the location of the file in Google Drive. The checkmark shows where the file currently is. All we have to do is select the folder we want to move the file to and confirm with Move. Also note that we can create new folders on the fly with this link. We would just have to rename and click Create. The folder would be created inside the selected folder. I'll cancel out and cancel out again to leave the file in my drive. The other symbol next to the title is a star that we can assign to the document to sort of mark it as important. This way we can also retrieve it faster by clicking Start from the left menu in the home page. Just below the title, we find our menu. These menu entries are very similar to those we find in many other word processors. Some of the functions that we can access through these menus are made more accessible through this second line of buttons. For example, the bold, italic, and underline buttons are text formatting options that we find under the Format menu. Similarly, all other buttons are simply shortcuts to functions that we find under one of the menu entry. Docs and all other Google apps have a very handy autosave feature, so all the changes are automatically saved. As soon as we modify the document, the autosave feature kicks in. Okay, we'll keep talking about Google Docs in the next video. If you need it, feel free to jump back to the introductory video on the keyboard. Hi, thanks for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or just want to say hi, please drop me a line in the comment section below. I'm working on a series of videos for people who don't know how to use the computer very well. So please share these videos with relatives and friends who you think may find them informative. Also give it a thumbs up if you can, that always helps. That's all for now. I'm Albi. Take care.